Hi everyone, and welcome back to the 50 Day Sprint to CAT 2021 exam. This is day 24. Hope you all had a wonderful Diwali at your homes with your loved ones. Hope you spent a wonderful time taking some break from the rigorous preparation schedule. I also had a very peaceful Diwali. I was with my maternal uncle helping him out with his shop, and thank you so much for the wonderful ideas that you guys shared in the previous video. We definitely implemented a lot of them and saw a great Diwali bump in sales. So thank you so much for that. With only a few days left for the CAT exam, I can well imagine how your anxiety levels might be at peak right now. And to address the same, I was just hearing a TED talk by Roman Seni, who's the co-founder of An Academy, and I heard a wonderful thing that he said in there. He said that performance and anxiety can be plotted on a curve. It's an inverted U-shaped curve wherein performance is on the y-axis and anxiety is on the x-axis. So there is an optimum level of anxiety which results in the best amount of performance. So little anxiety or too much of anxiety can both be dangerous, and having some amount of anxiety helps you perform better. So if you're experiencing anxiety, it's pretty normal. It's okay to feel that way, but at the same time, it should not hamper your performance on the D-Day. That's about it. Hope that this time is being spent by you on your mock taking, analysis, as well as revision of your formula book. These three things are the most important at this point of time. Another thing that I wanted to cover in this video, which would be the highlight of this video as well, is to not think about factors that are not in your control at this moment. Also, to not think about things that are not relevant for this time. For example, a lot of people wonder if something bad would happen on the D-Day hampering their performance, some technical glitch or something like that. Same way, a lot of people will be worried even if they clear the CAT exam, will they make it to their dream B school? I don't think that's relevant at this moment. At this moment, you should only focus on the three things that I said: mock analysis, mock taking, and revision of your formula book. These three things, if done on a consistent basis, can result in a good performance on the D day, thereby improving your chances of making it to the B school that you want to. So don't think about those aspects right now. Recently, when I was working with my maternal uncle on his shop, I just figured how privileged we all are. I saw so many shopkeepers around trying to earn that extra income during this festive season by working extremely hard day in and day out. And I just figured that we all are extremely privileged, and we have a great opportunity in front of us to level up in terms of income as well as experience, learnings, a lot of other things. The next 24 days, work extremely hard every single day, give your best. Try to do justice to the preparation that you have been doing for so many months now. I'm trying to make up my mind to start working on the GDPI course. I have so many things to cover in there that it'll take so much time to structure it. But I'm just trying to bring myself to the same mood of trying to get in the form of making the course. So I'll make up my mind as well. You make up your mind as well to work hard for this exam, and let's give it our best shot in the next 24 days. That's all I would want to say. Thank you guys, and hope you had a wonderful Diwali.